Ever wondered if there was a treasure trove of information just waiting to be discovered about Expensify? Maybe you're new to the platform, or perhaps you've been using it for a while but feel like you're only scratching the surface of its capabilities. You know Expensify helps with expense reports, receipts, and maybe even corporate cards, but what if there's more? What if there's a way to truly master this tool and unlock its full potential for your personal finances or your business? It's a common feeling to want to dive deeper into software that plays a significant role in your financial management. Expensify is designed to simplify and automate expense tracking, reporting, and reimbursement, which can be a huge time saver. But like any powerful tool, knowing where to find additional information and materials can elevate your experience from simply using it to mastering it. So, how exactly can you obtain further information or materials on Expensify? The good news is, there's a wealth of resources available, whether you're a casual user, a small business owner, or managing expenses for a large corporation. Let's break down the best avenues for expanding your Expensify knowledge. Your first and most direct stop should always be the Expensify Help Center. This is the official knowledge hub, brimming with articles, guides, and FAQs covering almost every conceivable aspect of the platform. Think of it as your primary textbook. You can search for specific topics, browse categories like getting started, reports and expenses, wallet and payments, or delve into more advanced features like integrations and corporate card management. The Help Center is constantly updated, so you're always getting the most current information. Beyond the standard articles, the Help Center also features sections dedicated to new Expensify and Expensify Classic, ensuring you're looking at the right resources for the version you're using. They even have dedicated hubs for specific functionalities like chat and Expensify Travel. Next up, don't underestimate the power of Expensify's YouTube channel and other video tutorials. For visual learners, watching a step-by-step guide can be incredibly effective. The official Expensify YouTube channel offers concise tutorials on everything from smart scanning receipts to creating expense reports and utilizing various features. You'll often find walkthroughs that clearly demonstrate how to navigate the app and web interface, making complex tasks seem much simpler. A quick search for Expensify tutorial on YouTube will also yield many helpful videos from independent creators who share their practical tips and tricks. For those who prefer structured learning, Expensify offers various guides and resources on their main website, often found in a resource center or similar section. These guides delve into broader topics related to business management, financial operations, and even comparisons with other expense management software. These are excellent for gaining a deeper understanding of the why behind certain features and how Expensify fits into a larger financial ecosystem. Look for white papers, case studies, and detailed ebooks that can provide more in-depth insights. And if you're still scratching your head, or if you encounter a unique issue, don't hesitate to reach out to Expensify's support team. They offer 24/7 support through their concierge service, which you can chat with directly within the Expensify app or via email. This human element can be invaluable for personalized assistance and troubleshooting specific problems that you can't find answers to in the self-serve resources. They can guide you through complex setups or clarify nuanced functionalities. Finally, consider exploring Expensify's community forums or social media channels. While not always a direct source of official materials, these platforms can be great for connecting with other users, asking questions, and learning from shared experiences. Sometimes, the most practical tips come from those who use the software daily in real-world scenarios. By leveraging these various avenues, the Comprehensive Help Center, engaging video tutorials, in-depth guides, direct support, and community insights, you can truly unlock a deeper understanding of Expensify and optimize its use for your specific needs. The more you explore, the more efficient and effective your expense management will become. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.